95% of beginners who try affiliate marketing make exactly $0. They spam the links of social media and get banned and quit. But a tiny group of people are quietly generating thousands a month using a completely hidden strategy. They don't have a website, they don't show their face, and they don't spend a single dime on ads. Today I'm giving you the exact blueprint to bypass the struggle and set up a passive income stream from scratch. The mistake is choosing low-ticket products. If you sell a $10 book and you make a $1 commission, to make $1,000, you need 1,000 sales. That's exhausting. The secret is high-ticket, reoccurring affiliate marketing. You want to promote digital software or business tools. When a business signs up using your link, they pay a monthly subscription. What that means is you get paid a passive commission every single month for as long as they stay a customer. One sale could pay you for years. Step one is finding where these companies are hiding. You don't need a massive audience to get approved. You want to target 3 specific platforms: Amazon Associates for physical gear, ClickBank for digital courses, and individual software platforms like Shopify, HubSpot, or VPN services. Go to the very bottom of any major software website. Look for a tiny link that says affiliate program and apply. In your applications, tell them you plan to drive traffic using high-quality targeted video reviews. Now that you have your first high-ticket affiliate link, you need traffic. But remember, we're not spamming friends on Facebook. Instead, we're using the single most powerful traffic source on earth. When someone types best video editing software for beginners into Google or YouTube, they are not browsing memes. They have their wallet out and they're ready to buy. Your job is simply to stand in front of the search traffic by creating short, helpful tutorials, comparison videos using the exact tool you are promoting. You do not need to show your face to do this. Use your PC to record a screen showing a quick 3-minute fix to a common software problem. For example, if you're an affiliate for an email marketing tool, make a video titled "How to Build an Email List in 5 Minutes." Show them exactly how to do it step by step. At the end of the video, tell the viewer, "I left a discount link to the exact tool I used in the description below." Because you solved their immediate problem, your click-through rate will skyrocket. To supercharge your traffic while your long videos gain traction, you need to exploit short-form vertical feeds. Take the most shocking or valuable 30 seconds of your tutorial and cut it into a vertical video. Upload it as a YouTube short or Instagram reel and a TikTok. Do not put the affiliate link in the short comments. Instead, use YouTube's related video feature to link the short directly back to your full 10-minute long-form tutorial. You are using the explosive reach of shorts to feed a high retention viewers straight into your main watch time engine. Hello everybody, it's the Cloud9 Man. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I will answer your questions if I can. Thank you very much for watching the video.